Tsubaki Premium Hair Mask. Salon-worthy hair in minutes, no appointment needed. Ever wish you could get silky, salon-treated hair without the hassle, or the crazy bill? Tsubaki Premium Hair Mask is like a spa day for your strands, delivering deep hydration, intense repair, and long-lasting shine in just one use. Packed with Camellia Honey and nourishing botanicals, this mask dives deep into every hair fiber to restore strength, smoothness, and moisture, leaving your locks softer than a cloud and shinier than a diamond. Whether your hair is color-treated, heat-damaged, or just in need of some love, this mask is your new secret weapon for runway-ready hair. Most hair masks demand 20+ minutes of your life, but ain't nobody got time for that. Tsubaki Premium Hair Mask works instantly. You can rinse it out right away or leave it in for deeper repair. No waiting, no drama, just instant hydration and restoration. Whether you're in a rush or pampering yourself, this mask adjusts to your routine, making it one of the most convenient, effective treatments out there. So, why wait? Get salon-like results in minutes. Tired of masks that turn your hair into an oil slick? Unlike heavy, greasy treatments, Tsubaki's ultralight formula penetrates deeply without weighing your hair down. Expect bouncy, soft, and feather-light locks, not limp, lifeless strands. Plus, the luxurious floral scent leaves your hair smelling absolutely divine. Think fresh, elegant, and oh so irresistible. Whether you have fine, thick, curly, or straight hair, this mask delivers hydration without the heaviness. Not all hair masks are created equal. While others slap on synthetic fillers, Tsubaki uses premium, salon-grade ingredients that actually work. Cruelty-free, ethically made, and backed by the renowned Shiseido brand, this 180-gram jar of magic brings luxury hair care straight to your shower, without the high-end price tag. Why spend hundreds on salon treatments when you can achieve the same results from home for a fraction of the cost? If your hair feels like straw, frizzes like a thunderstorm, or looks dull and lifeless, Tsubaki Premium Hair Mask is the game-changer you need. With intensive nourishment, deep repair, and instant results, this mask is the beauty hack you've been waiting for. Save time, save money, and unlock the softest, healthiest hair of your life, all from your own bathroom. Go ahead, treat your hair like royalty.